Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the game version and that the Chocolate Bunny event is active. This matters because spawn pools change between patches. Once done, gather required currency and any special pets. These increase your chance and reduce grind time. Make sure to join an active lobby or a friend's party with a multiplier booster because combined bonuses stack. You'll save minutes per run and improve odds. Now move to the hunting loop without delay so you don't waste event time. You now run the core loop. Equip your best drop pet plus 1 or 2 boost items to maximize percent chance. This directly influences drop math. Then cycle target zones in the precise order that triggers rare spawns. Spawn timers matter, so wait or reset only when necessary. Once comfortable, perform manual burst phases during boss windows to secure items. Automation helps, but manual timing captures rare drops. Keep track of your run times, because steady optimized loops outperform random grinding. You finish by turning in event tokens and claiming the Chocolate Bunny reward. If it doesn't appear, check your mailbox and inventory filters first. If the bunny consistently fails to spawn, verify you're on the right patch, that boosters are active, and that party composition meets requirements. These are common silent blockers. If problems persist, restart the client and rejoin a lobby. Finally, report the issue to support with logs. This sequence secures reward receipt and solves most hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.